Hi, my name is Zeyang and this is my project for my Python 2 class. So my idea was a RPG project and it was inspired by my previous project from Python 1 and my love for these type of games because I wanted to improve on my old one. So what did I learn and use for my project? During class, I learned about dictionaries and functions, which I used heavily in my project. Dictionaries are items that contain lists and variables and have features that are useful in my project and make it a whole lot easier. Functions, they hold code that can be reused and repeated in a game. So like going back and forth and like stuff. So code one, my example was enemy dictionaries. This was like a dictionary where it stored all of the enemy data and basically it had their name, health, max health, attack, gold. I said in the wrong order. And I just did it multiple times for different enemies. I also used functions. So this was my blacksmith function and it was the most complicated one I had. It's simple, but yeah. So basically, it has all of the blacksmith function stuff in it, and then it's in a function, so I can like loop through this function whenever I want to in the program. So like if they want to go to blacksmith, I'll just call this program. Yeah. Demo Visual Studio Code. So this is my game, and basically, so you start off. It shows your stats and your options are fighting an enemy or go to town. So first you can fight an enemy, and as you can see, the enemy stats appear: dragon, damage 20, 100 and 100 HP, and how much gold they will drop. You can either fight or look for a different enemy. I don't have the strength to fight a dragon, so let's look for a different enemy. And now we have a bandit, and this one looks much more reasonable with us probably being able to take them down. So we can put one and fight them. So first we attack them, and they have 6 health. Bandit attacks 19 out of 20 health. We attack 2 out of 6, and they attack, then we attack, they're dead. Now we get more gold, and the XP is bugged. Oops. Now we can go to town, and when we go to the inn, we can choose to either rest or heal or go back. I think there's a bug because it automatically chose for us. And we can go back to town to go to Maxburg, and here we can use our gold. We can upgrade our weapon or build a stronger weapon. So we can upgrade our weapon. I take it back, I don't have enough money. So we can build once, which is just build however many times you want. But like, no, it only upgrades your weapon once. Or at least if you have the gold for it. Or you can build max, because like if you have like 1,000 gold, it'll use up all of the gold to max it out. Or just go back. We don't have any golds. I take it back, we do have gold. Now it's 1 out of 10 upgrades. So yeah, there's a print error, I guess. So now our damage increases and our gold decreased. Very cool. And yeah, that's pretty much everything in my game. So now my favorite part was about working on this project was building the game, especially the blacksmith, and thinking of new ways to challenge the player. How to improve my project? If I had more time to work on this project, I would add different abilities and aspects for a player to use, adding more enemies and more shop items and just items, I guess. And thank you. That's my project.